So this review is going to be on Graceland RV Park. Now this is in Graceland, Memphis, Tennessee. We are in the parking lot, basically, of where the tours start, right here behind me. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough of this particular RV park and tell you a little bit about how close you are to Graceland. So we'll start off right here. You've got some shower, bathrooms, and you've got the laundry. At night, there is a security guard. We saw him last night driving around in his golf cart. He is out here. They have security 24/7. You actually come in on this road over here. So you're probably a couple hundred yards off the main road, and you have to have security. You have to come in through security to get back here to the office. So you'll come in and you'll check in right over here in that little building. Come in, you check in at the office, and you come up and you've got those spaces right here. Initially to your right, that's going to be right next to the pool. There's the pool. Behind that is tent camping. And then if you park in this back corner, that's where we are, over in that back corner. That is spot 70 will put you right on the corner, and it'll be under one of the only trees where you can find shade to get a spot in the shade. It's also next to the field, so if you have a dog, that's an ideal spot to be able to let him run. So looking back at the office again, if you go straight across from the office, right there, that is the entrance to walk right from the park straight into the parking lot to where you do your tour. Now we are in the back corner of this. We're in the back corner of this lot. You see us all the way back there in the corner with the motorcycle on the back. That is only about 5 minutes at the most to the front doors to start your tour. So we're now behind the office. There's the entrance road where the guard shack is up there coming in. You got a nice big field over here. This backs up to a neighborhood, and like I said, the tent camping. So you've got tent camping right here behind the office. A little gazebo here, and then you could jump over to the pool. That pool area also has a little area to hang out and cook. I'll show you that. Okay, so here's the pool area, and a minute ago I was wrong. It is not spot 70 that we're at. There's Sammy over there. It is spot 74. And as you see, shade, there's a tree right next to it. Nice spot. So you've got the pool, and you've got a barbecue area, some tables, and you've got a motion light out here at night that you can be over here at night. That is a working sink, microwave, and stovetop. Okay, so it does appear that they have monthly spots here, is what it looks like anyway, so if you want to be here for a while. Now there's something I want to show you. You don't necessarily need to be coming in town with your fifth wheel or bumper mount or RV, Class C's, Class A's. Yesterday we saw everything in here, from pretty inexpensive units to really expensive units. You could just come over here and rent a cabin. They've got these small cabins. Looks like they've got 4 of them. Really cool small cabins. I haven't seen any besides these 4. But cool small cabins, so if you want to come in town, camp out, but you don't want to bring your rig with you, or you don't have one, you can rent a little cabin. And then, like I said, walk right over to your tour. Okay, so that wraps up our tour of the Graceland RV Park. Just want to add on there that there is a playground, so if you have kids, they do have a playground. It's not the nicest playground we've seen, but it is a playground. So between that and the pool, hopefully the kids will have a good time. This is just another little area to let the dogs run. As you see, we are back over there in 74, if that gives you an idea of where we're at. All right, thanks for watching. Remember, don't hold your trauma in. Disclose the information to somebody you can trust. Live your best life. Keep your stress level down. God bless you. Thanks for watching.